Sony and Honda's joint Afeela electric car brand takes even more steps towards production this year. We've learned more about the Afeela 1 electric sedan, which is hitting the road later this year, and the brand's also showed off its second model, the Afeel Prototype 2026, over my shoulder there. Let's take a closer look at both. Now, I'm told that one of the ways that Afeela 1 will differentiate itself from the other players in this class is this very large display in the dashboard and the entertainment technology that goes behind that. Afeela told us that you will be able to stream Sony PlayStation games to the vehicle using their remote play feature. So if you're charging the car, you can hop in the back and get a couple of rounds in, or if you've got people back there on a longer ride, they can do something to keep themselves entertained. They also talked about their Cocreator program, which is going to allow owners to customize the experience of the vehicle from the dashboard to the audio experience and more. The way the Cocreator program works is that Sony's content partners are able to create these custom themes that allow them to adjust everything from the wallpaper on the dashboard to the layout of the instrument cluster to the ambient lights, even the sound that the electric motors make when you're driving along. Some of the first partners are going to be PlayStation titles like Gran Turismo and Astrobot, one of my favorite games for the console, by the way. But they've also worked with music producers and other IPs to create different themes for the vehicle. There's also a Honda racing theme that shows a little bit of the vehicle's racing heritage with one of their Formula One cars, some very vintage inspired gauges right here, and the sound of that Formula One car while you're driving. Of course, the big news is the debut of the Afeel Prototype 2026, a larger SUV version of the Afeela 1 sedan. Now, some of you may remember Sony had a Vision S2 prototype, which was basically an SUV electric car prototype. This is basically it closer to production form. We don't have much in the way of specs, but we expect that it'll have pretty much the same electric powertrain, the same commitment to safety technology, and the same bonkers cabin experience as the Afeela 1. Orders opened for the Afeela 1 last year, so we can expect that to hit the road later this year. The Afeela Concept 2026, however, probably won't hit the road until 2028 at best. So there you have it, a look at both of these electric vehicles. You can find more over at CNET.com and all of our sister brands.